You're waiting for the second part of the Soulblight Gravelords videos I've been doing? Well, it's not coming today. It would have been, however, I've spent the weekend actually playing Warhammer, and this week is super busy with my wife's birthday and other bits and pieces I've got going on in my actual day job and such. So rather than put out a video that is not as polished as I would like it to be, without as much information as I want, I'm going to delay it until later in the week, and hopefully I'll have had time to finish it. Everything's recorded, everything is actually done. In fact, I'm 4 projects ahead in the Soulblight Gravelord Army project, so it's all positive. It's just getting those videos edited together and getting them up on the platform. But I didn't want to miss out. I didn't want to kind of let anybody down that's been waiting for the video. Thank you so much for all of the positive replies and comments I've had about it. I've actually used some of the units already this weekend, or the weekend just gone. I played my first proper game of 4th edition. I really enjoyed it. I genuinely did not think I was going to enjoy Soulblight because it's a Horde army, but who would have thought? I did enjoy it. I lost very badly all of the games I played, but this is part of the learning experience. I'll be talking about that, hopefully, once we get the rest of this army out of the way. So watch this space, make sure you subscribe, do comment down below. The video will be coming at the end of the week, and then next week's will be back to the Monday schedule. We're not going to have lost out on any, so I do apologise. Hopefully you'll agree with me. It's better to put something out that's actually useful than something that's just rushed. Have a good hobby week. Thank you for understanding. Let me know what you think, and give me some Soulblight strategies, because I did very, very badly. Alright, I'll see you soon. Have a good one.